Miele tumble dryers, highest condensation efficiency to protect your property. During the entire drying process, moisture is removed from laundry and collected in the condensate container. Thanks to the particularly airtight seal of the air path inside Miele dryers, virtually no moisture is able to escape into the room. The benefit to users is that no moisture condenses on cold walls in the home, preventing damage to the fabric of buildings. This benefit can be identified by an A rating for condensation, requiring that at least 93% of evaporated moisture is condensed inside the machine, a standard which Miele achieves with ease. No other competitor achieves the same level of efficiency. On competitors' machines, considerably more hot, moisture-laden air escapes into the building. This moisture promotes the growth of mold and results in damage to the fabric of buildings. Here, once again, a direct comparison. Miele tumble dryers, highest condensation efficiency to protect your property.